Hey everybody, welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. Today is Thursday, March the 24th, I do believe. And right now, Angelina and I are headed to Hot Springs, Arkansas. We are preparing to go to Lafayette, Louisiana this weekend. Y'all, I am so excited because my spices are now going over state lines. Yes, my spices will be at the Drug Emporium in Lafayette, Louisiana. So this weekend, this Saturday, I am going to be in Lafayette giving out samples of my seasonings, the all-purpose and the taco spice. And yeah, so we're preparing for that right now. We are going to Hot Springs because little Rico is going to be going with us, and I need to pick up a travel cage for him. The closest one they had to my area is in Hot Springs, which is about a 35-minute drive out. So that's what we're doing right now. We're headed to the Petco out there to pick this up, and then we're going to start preparing for our weekend this weekend. So come along with us. I am so excited, and I'm so happy to be able to share this experience with you. Do you see this foolishness?
Back then it would have been like obviously we think now of luxury of refrigeration and active
10 gallons. See that? I paid $52. Okay? $52. And my tank still is not full. $52. But you know what? I'm not complaining. Why? Because I thank God for the resources to be able to do it. Thank you, Jesus. All right, so these are the things that we do for Rico because he is so loved. Okay. Spend $52 on gas, drive over 30 minutes so that he can have a nice comfy travel cage. All right, so here's Rico's travel home. It is nice and comfy, has a nice little perch in there. Go ahead and hold it up so everybody can see it real quick. Has a nice little perch inside so that he can travel with us and be nice and comfy, cozy. We love it. And it was a nice price. But we had to drive to Timbuktu to get it.
What is what you saying that wrong?
What is it, Timbuktu?
Timbuktu.
Oh, Timbuk. Whatever.
Timbuktu.
We had to drive a good distance. Okay, everybody, so it is a few minutes to 12, and I've been up all evening getting everything ready for the trip tomorrow. So I almost forgot my posters that I need for setup. So I have this one poster right here. I know you guys can't see it right now, but anyway, I'm getting my posters and things together. I'll show these to you guys tomorrow, but I'm getting my posters and things together for the trip. Got my posters and things ready here for the trip. This one right here, I don't think I'm going to use this one because on this one I only have the taco and the all-purpose seasoning on here. I got another one made tonight that has all 4 of the flavors that I have available now on there. So I don't know, we'll see. And then I've got 2 more posters in here. I'll show that to you guys later. I've got my hot plate because I like to prepare the chicken while I'm there in the store so that the flavors can attract all the customers because it smells so good. It's worked well in times past. And this bag is filled with like things that I need while we're there. Trash bags, extension cords. I don't know how many extension cords they'll have. My little toothpicks and things. I've got, of course, extra seasoning there. Guys, it's funny. When I was at the last store that I did sampling at, I had to buy my own seasonings because I ran out of my own. No, I forgot my own. So I had to go stand in line and purchase my own seasonings in the store. I thought that was so funny. But anyway, these are just all of my essentials, things that I need while I'm there doing the sampling. Of course, I have like toothpicks right here and little spoons and things for them to try. I have little cups and things. They're in the car already. I've got extra towels here for cleanup, tongs and a knife there just in case I need to cut up some more things. I've got some disposable, oh no, these are our aprons right here. Aprons with the Sincerely Legenia logo on them. I've got some disposable tablecloths because, guys, I'm not trying to bring anything home and wash it. Minus these towels. Let's see. And I think that's really just about it. That's about it. That's about all I have in there. All right, got the kitchen all cleaned up, and I've got a few more snacks and things already in the truck that we take for travel. I've got them already out there, and I'll show those to you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna be preparing me some low carb snacks to take in the morning, and I'll be showing that to you guys. But for now, I'm tired. The time is 11:36, guys, and I'm tired, so I will talk to you guys in the morning. All right, guys, 6:24. Let's get up and get on the road. All right, everybody, we're getting ready to hit the road. Let me show you some of my low-carb snacks that I am taking for my breakfast. I am going to have some wraps. So I made me some of my turkey wraps that I've made many times on my channel. So you guys have seen that many times. I also have some fresh raspberries here that I have washed, and that'll be a nice snack. And then I brought me some of these salt and vinegar Blue Diamond almonds. They are so delicious. So these are going to be my snacks for the road. If I get anything else, I will definitely be coming on camera and letting you guys see what I get. All right, everybody, so we are getting ready to hit the road. We are all packed up. I've got my delicious low-carb keto snacks, and yeah, we're getting ready to hit the road. And so let's get this trip started. So we stopped at Burger King. I've got a burger. I'm taking the bun off completely, and I am just going to eat the meat, the bacon, and the pickles. No bun. You know all that? Oh. So this is going to be what I eat. Taking off the bun, I'm just going to eat the patty, bacon, and pickle. Okay, everybody, so we have made it to Lafayette. And we are in our Airbnb, which is nice, by the way. I'm going to give you all a tour a little bit later. So nice. I wish we were here for more than just a couple of days. But so I've showed you guys what I was eating on the road, because I knew once I got here, I was not going to restrict my diet. I'm in Louisiana, okay? The capital of flavor, okay? So anyway, let me show you guys what I got. We stopped at a seafood restaurant and got something to go. Let me show you guys what I got. So I got a small catfish platter, and I got a small gumbo, a cup of gumbo with some steamed vegetables. Okay, let's look at the vegetables. All right, and then we have steamed vegetables, which really just looks like broccoli and red bell pepper, to be honest with you.
And onion.
But it smells, oh, and some onion there. Angelina said onion, but it smells magnificent. So anyway, guys, this is what I am having. So glad I did not just overdo it when I was on my way out here, or I'd be feeling really, really guilty right now. But as of this moment, there's no guilt. There's only joy and happiness because I'm fixing to chow down.
Some hush puppies, some shrimp, some stuffed shrimp, some oysters, some fish, some fried. That sounds a lot. Wow.
Seafood gumbo, magnificent. Catfish.
What do I need to do?
So good.
This guy.
Now in here, in my catfish plate, there are lots of fries, but I don't want the fries. I'm already eating rice. Fries are a bit too much, so I'm gonna eat this rice that's in my cup of gumbo, but I'm not gonna eat the potatoes. Okay, guys, we also have some Boudin Balls here. These from this particular restaurant, and by the way, the restaurant is called Don's Seafood. They're good. They're not as good as what I'm used to. Okay. So there you have your rice with some liver and I think chicken gizzards and lots of seasonings and spices, all that good stuff. What are you doing?
Chicken liver and gizzards in there?
Yeah.
Why did you let me eat that?
I've been in Drug Emporium for the last 3 hours. A Drug Emporium in Lafayette, Louisiana, let me say that, for the last 3 hours. And my mom is here and my daughter is here. We've been giving out samples to the locals here of Sincerely Legenia seasoning. It's been so fun. When your daughter keeps eating the samples that are meant for customers.
How you know I'm eating? How you know I'm eating?
Y'all, she keeps eating the samples. I told her she has had the equivalent of a full chicken breast. Okay, she won't stop eating the samples. Better for the customers. I don't know, it's like extra good when we're out and about or something. But anyway, you all, this has been so fun. I'm just amazed at how awesome God is. You know, my products are now in another state, so I'm just excited about it. You ladies want to try some of that? Hey family, so we are at our Airbnb and it is gorgeous. I want to quickly show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I'm at the front door here. Let me kind of zoom out. This is the front door here. All right, the entryway. Hello. All right, and so walking now through the entryway. Excuse our little mess because we got one here. But this is the little dining area. We just had some delicious Don's seafood. Delicious. Come on over this way, and this is our kitchen. Lovely. It is so nice, so clean. Okay, a nice little refrigerator here. Dishwasher, everything. Of course, we got our stove, microwave, everything we need. It's fully stocked with dishes, silverware, everything we need. But we're not going to use any of that. We bought our own plasticware. Okay. All right, but everything that we need. Okay. Everything. Even charger cord. What? I got it. I didn't know I was down here. I don't know if she can take that upstairs. All right. We got everything. Okay. Come this way. We got a pantry for storage. If you wanted to bring your pet, it has a little cage thing there for your pets because it is pet friendly. Got medication and things up there. Really nice. There's Rico and there's Mom. This is the living room area. Say hi, Rico. There you go. This is the living room area. Mom is watching Bridgerton. But this is it. It is so lovely. Okay, got our bar stools there. Got our little entertainment area there. Big old TV. That's about at least 45 inches right there. All right. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, let me wipe off the lens. All right, that's better. There.
Hi, Mom.
Then there's a downstairs bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. There's a bathroom in each bedroom. Oops. So this is the downstairs bathroom. Okay. Lovely. Hi again. And then from here we go. Oh, there's also a balcony right there, but it's dark. I'm not going to show you guys that. I'm not going out. But then we have our stairwell here. Let's It's a long stairwell. Oh, actually, Angelina is filming a YouTube video, so I'm gonna wait till she finishes and then I'll finish this video. Come up the stairs, and there's Rico. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. And then here's the balcony. It is fabulous. Ta-da! This balcony. Nice. All right. And then this is the first bedroom, bedroom number 1, which Angelina and my mom are sharing. Nice, spacious. Got television with all of the apps on there, Netflix, Hulu, everything you could imagine. Then it also has a full-size bath, but that's being occupied right now. Beautiful bath. Okay. And then when you come down the hall, here, you have a washer and dryer for your convenience, for our convenience. It's amazing. And then we have our second bedroom. This is the one my husband and I are in. Another television with everything on it, okay? Everything. All right. Queen size bed in this one. They don't have a king size, that's queen size. All right. Nice. And then you have another full-size bath in here. This one has a shower. The other bathroom in there in the other bedroom has a tub and with a standing shower in it as well. But very nice restroom. Very, very nice. So needless to say, we love this Airbnb. It is so clean, and that is the thing with us, is cleanliness. You know, so clean. It smelled wonderful when we walked in. It has everything that we needed. The beds are comfortable. I mean, it just has everything. And so I really wish we had an opportunity to stay here a bit longer, but we're just going to make it a point to come out to Lafayette again, just so we can stay in this Airbnb, because again, it is amazing. Okay, it's really amazing. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'll be back with y'all in just a little bit. Okay, yeah, definitely. You're on Instagram, right? Yeah. All right, guys, so we are in Legenia here in downtown Lafayette, Louisiana. Show you guys, this is an awesome record store. You all know that Angelina is a record collector. So we are here to take a look around and do some shopping. We're in Legenia. Mama, why does this look familiar to me?
That's a very popular deal. It was popular back in the day, baby.
Okay, I'm like, this looks familiar to me.
Haven't seen it.
Why have I, why? Yeah.
It was popular back in the day.
Whoop. Y'all don't need to see that. All right, right now we are at Billy's, Boudin, and Cracklins. Let's see what they got cracking.